Washington welcomes you to Clover Student Housing Accommodation, which is a perfect fit for students planning to pursue education with a pinch of adventure in it. Clover offers you 3 room types to adjust in. Students willing to live alone to get that extra focus in their studies can opt for en-suite apartments with a private bedroom, a private bathroom, and a shared kitchen as well. You do get a shared washroom and a shared modular kitchen in the non-en-suites. For the other adventurers, the property offers multiple non-en-suite apartments. All of them welcome you with a comfortable double bed, a side table, and a spacious wardrobe to organize your personal belongings. Moreover, the American University and the well-renowned George Washington University are just a short ride away from the residence. After a busy day at college, places like Rock Creek Park, Acorn Urban Park, and a historical place called Fort Stevens would be perfect to end your day. The locality is filled with top-rated pubs such as Busboys and Poets, Olive Lounge, and Grill, which are ideal for you to hang out and cheer up with your friends. So, don't think twice, seal the deal by visiting amberstudent.com now.